Umang Winter Hill, 3 bedroom apartment with terrace area. This is the entrance foyer having marble flooring, entrance corridor. On the left hand, this is the very first bedroom. We are capturing the unfurnished apartment right now. The complete finishing work will be completed by the builder. This is the bedroom size. Again, there is a marble flooring which is very unclear due to the non-finishing. It can be polished. And this is the fascinating Aravali view. This ensures sun-facing apartment. There is the dividing road, sector dividing road, sector 76 and 77. This particular green land will be developed by the DLF, majorly owned by the DLF, and there is a further plan to come up with luxury floors having ground plus 4 structure. Now there is a space for window AC, the wall. Wardrobe will be provided by the builder. This is the wardrobe area. This is the toilet area. Right now it is unfurnished. Now we are exit from the guest bedroom. We are moving towards the drawing dining area. Here is the drawing dining area. Again, AC will be installed by the builder. The major impact that the other unit of the same tower is almost 8 to 10 feet. So there is no common wall, and it is almost a best part against earthquake. Balcony is there along with the kitchen and the drawing dining room. The same view, Aravali view, is there. This is the entrance corridor. On my right, this is the washing room area. You may place the washing. This is the inlet and outlet, and can be used multiple purpose. On the back or on the left hand side, kitchen space is there, which can further completed by the builder. They are providing the complete modular kitchen with chimney and hob and geyser. This is the common balcony attached with the drawing dining area. This is the kitchen area. Now this is the second bedroom, coming up with the wooden flooring, having a separate balcony, which again gives a view of this green area. This is the bedroom size, which is approx 12 by 13. AC space. AC will again provided by the builder. Wardrobe cavity just behind the gate. Corridor will be provided by the builder. This is the toilet. Now there is the master bedroom. Wooden flooring will be there. Again there is balcony, separate balcony with the master bedroom. This is the size of the master bedroom. Dress area both side, and further the toilet area. Now the plus factor of this particular unit is it is coming up with the terrace area. This is the entire terrace area, having area approx 6 to 700 square feet area, and it is a private and reserved area for the particular this unit. separated by the bigger boundary wall area. No disturbance is there. Anyone can develop it with the sky deck or the green area or gym or whatever they want. This is a huge area which we are already miss with this particular segment. So have a view. This is the only unit left along with the builder resale, and again the view is there. The charming factor is the view.